Good morning. I'd like to check out, please. Good morning. I'd like to check out, please. Good morning. I'd like to check out, please. Sure. May I have your room number? Sure. May I have your room number? Sure. May I have your room number? It's room 302. It's room 302. It's room 302. Okay. Did you use the minibar? Okay. Did you use the minibar? Okay. Did you use the minibar? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Great. Let me check your bill. Great. Let me check your bill. Great. Let me check your bill. Okay. 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 Your total is $150 for 2 nights. Your total is $150 for 2 nights. Your total is $150 for 2 nights. Can I pay with a credit card? Can I pay with a credit card? Can I pay with a credit card? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Thank you. Please wait a moment. Thank you. Please wait a moment. Thank you. Please wait a moment. No problem. No problem. No problem. All done. Here's your receipt. All done. Here's your receipt. All done. Here's your receipt. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Did you enjoy your stay? Did you enjoy your stay? Did you enjoy your stay? Yes, it was very nice. Yes, it was very nice. Yes, it was very nice. We're happy to hear that. We're happy to hear that. We're happy to hear that. Here is the room key. Here is the room key. Here is the room key. Thank you. Have a safe trip. Thank you. Have a safe trip. Thank you. Have a safe trip. Thanks. Goodbye. Thanks. Goodbye. Thanks. Goodbye. Goodbye. Hope to see you again. Goodbye. Hope to see you again. Goodbye. Hope to see you again.